Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where it was from, where it opened and where the low was to where it ultimately closed on the day, was it a gigantic, huge bounce? No, but there's no doubt about it. There was a bounce that occurred today. And now things translate into the question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this bounce just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move, meaning it just is a totally fake move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And let me see if we can make this a little bit easier to see. There we go. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at $4.40. Why is $4.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, so if a bounce is truly a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is truly a bounce, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $4.40. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here a little bit and then behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying make progress forward as $4.40. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking levels of resistance. So interesting move going into today. A nice bounce is underway. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum and build upon this bounce? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.